Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So this time we're gonna be reviewing another item, and actually I'm super excited about this one as I recently received this Hi Smile Whitening kit. Actually two things came in a package. So whitening kit and a day and night toothpaste. They still wrapped in the plastic thing but sealed in. I haven't opened yet. I have no clue whatsoever, so I'm gonna try this for a first time and I'm gonna use for like a week or so and then come back to you to show the actual results. So I think without any further ado, let's just see what we got. So Hi Smile, to begin with, is a cruelty-free brand. So what I like so far about this Hi Smile whitening kit, the ingredients are all understandable and natural, like they all listed in here in the back of the box, and ingredients are like aloe leaf juice, chamomile flower extract, pomegranate seed extract, menthol, and so on. So you can understand all the ingredients, which is a big plus from me. I think without any further ado, let's just open this seal thing and see what we got. So we got this pretty box that says Hi Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. It says that it includes a lid light, a Hi Smile shells, result chart, instruction manual, and a mouth tray. And here it is. Hello. So we get the 3 gels, the instruction, the light, and then the tray. I like the way it's packed though. Look how pretty. It says pool. Okay, let's pull in. So this one is a result chart. So my teeth so far is, I'd say number 5. 5 or 4, something in between this. So my goal is 1, obviously. And there's an instruction in here, which I'm gonna read quickly through so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so first what it says, that you need to brush the teeth before using this whitening kit. Then place the tray, apply a quarter of the gel into the tray, keep the tray in with the light on for 10 minutes, and then wash and rinse the mouth with a warm water, and then smile. So that's the instruction. Okay, so this is what we got in another box. So this is the gel pack thing, and another pack is the toothpaste. So we got what do you have? Oh, we have a daytime toothpaste and a night toothpaste. Okay, I like it. I like the packaging though of both of it. So once again, I'm just quickly checking the ingredients in this toothpaste, and they all again are naturals, which is a massive plus again. I am really loving it so far. So I think without any further ado, we should follow this instruction and brush teeth at first. So I'm gonna take this daytime toothpaste first. Oh my god, guys, this toothpaste tastes so good, so fresh, so minty. Like, yeah, I feel super fresh now. So I'm really liking it. Alright, let's do the whitening bit. So first it says to activate the battery. So next it says simply attach to the mount tray. Get it. So it goes in. It has like a special pocket around of it. So it just tucks on. Oh, quite easy actually. Okay, here you go. It's on already. So next thing it says to take the gel and apply a quarter of it to the tray, bottom and top of the mouth tray. Oh, it apply 1/4. Here you go. It says in here. The measurings are all in here, so that makes it easy. So it says exactly how much to apply on the tray. So I apply it on the bottom and on the top tray, like on the both sides of the tray as it says. And then it has a line as well in here to where you need to apply gel, because later when you bite it on, I guess it's gonna spread around. So I think without any further ado, let's just do this and whiten the teeth. So I need to keep this on for 10 minutes. Okay, timer is on. Alright, so the 10 minutes passed by actually really quick. I jumped in and clean off my mouth. I mean, I washed it with lukewarm water. The LED light automatically turns off after 10 minutes and it makes a sound. I don't know if you heard this on a video. It made like a little beep sound when you need to stop, so you don't really need a timer like I did on the phone. And the gel itself doesn't taste of anything. All I could feel, or maybe it's a bit of minty taste, I'm not sure, because I just brushed my teeth with that minty toothpaste and all I could feel was that minty taste in my mouth. So I can't tell if the gel itself tastes of anything because all I could feel was a minty taste. But this is super easy to use and 10 minutes, as I said, went so quick. If you feel like 10 minutes a day is too much for you, I mean, you don't need to sit and do nothing. You can do your makeup or your hair or your nails or housework or just chill for 10 minutes. You know, you don't need to waste the 10 minutes of your day. So far, a big massive thumbs up from me. And this is how my teeth looks after 1 year. So at first I said my teeth color is around 5 or 4, like in between. So now, oh, actually now it's a 4-4. Just after 1 year. So wait till I'm gonna use it for a week. I'm excited though. I forgot to show to you how the Night Toothpaste looks. It says it has a charcoal, so I think it's probably black. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. I just noticed. So the daytime toothpaste, not only it says daytime, it has a little sun on. And then a nighttime toothpaste has a moon on. How cute. So the nighttime toothpaste, yeah, I was right. It's black. Can you see, guys? Because it has a charcoal. It smells super minty. The same as daytime one, so can't wait to try this. I am so excited. Thank you, Hi Smile, because so far I am loving it. Can't wait to try it for all week and I'll get back to you and tell what the result is. And by the way, I forgot to mention another thing. So as it mentions, to use for once 1/4 of the gel, and you have 3 of these, that means you have 12 uses, which is almost 2 weeks, and 1 week should be more than enough of whitening. So you kind of have it for 2 times. Alright, I'm gonna be using this for a week and I'm gonna see you later with the result. Who's excited? See you soon. So I've been using this Hi Smile teeth whitening kit for a week now. I think for a week. I can actually tell you exactly how many times I used because I used up all the first one already, and then some of the second ones I used 4, because it's 4 goes in one thing, so that's 4 days. And then I used another 3 days, so it means I used exactly 1 week, so I used 7 days. And I think it's time to check how much whiter my teeth got in 1 week. So basically I was using this in the morning after I had my breakfast and my coffee, because I need a coffee to start the day. And this recommends not to drink any colorful drinks after using it. So I was having my breakfast, then using a daytime toothpaste to brush my teeth, and then whitening my teeth with this set, which is super easy to use. As I showed you before, you attach straight to this thing in here, then I put the gel on. It's a measures in there, super easy, takes like no time. And actually the lighting thing is timed for 10 minutes. When I did first time when I filmed it, I used the timer on my phone because I didn't know the thing is actually timed, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, so then I was placing it in my mouth for 10 minutes because it beeps when it finishes. And in the meantime, I was or doing my makeup or doing my hair or getting ready to go out, so dressing up and all. So basically it doesn't interrupt anything at all whatsoever what you do. And the most important, it doesn't taste bad. Like it doesn't taste as a peroxide, you know, like other whitening stuff, it tastes like disgusting. But this one actually tastes minty. It's super natural, all ingredients are good. It doesn't damage your teeth or makes it sensitive. Like my teeth are naturally a little bit sensitive, but this didn't make my teeth sensitive at all. In fact, actually my teeth doesn't feel sensitive in general. Like sometimes when I drink cold or hot, I can feel a bit of sensitivity on, but it actually stopped. So I don't know if that's because of this toothpaste and all, because of the ingredients are actually so good for you, or yeah, I don't know. But the fact is that my teeth got definitely whiter in a week, and I think it's time to check this scale that we had. So my teeth was between 5 and 4 when we checked first, but now, yeah, it's actually number 2 now. So I jumped from being between 5 and 4 to number 2. So that's how much my teeth got whiter in just 1 week. I mean, this is amazing. It definitely works. Definitely works. This is an honest review. Like, I tried this on for all week, you know, like every single day after I had my breakfast. And I am absolutely impressed how amazing this is. Like, this is so awesome. I'm really impressed how good it is. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't make your teeth sensitive. It's actually good for your teeth because ingredients are so good. It doesn't take much of your time during the day. It's only 10 minutes, but it's not like you need to sit and just do that. You can do, as I mentioned, I was doing my makeup and my hair, or just like up, like getting ready for the day in the meantime, and it wasn't like bothering me or interrupting it or anything. So a massive huge thumbs up from me for this Hi Smile teeth whitening kit. Guys, this is amazing. I couldn't recommend this more. I mean, look at my teeth. Like, I literally can't stop smiling because it's so white. You can see the result yourselves. I'm super excited. I could talk and rave about this product, how much I love it because it's so good. So a massive huge thumbs up from me for this Hi Smile whitening kit. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this review demo video. I spent the whole week reviewing this item. I think this is the longest time I reviewed any of the products, probably. I don't know, I will need to check more videos. But yeah, so I am loving this. If you tried this out, leave a comment down below and let me know if you're loving or you don't like it for some reason. I couldn't think of a reason why, because I honestly do love it. And yeah, thank you so much for spending your time watching this video, and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao!